high where I need to come down from oxygen. Cause once we started, baby, ain't no stopping in. Cause I just wanna live my life and party. All I want is to be free and move my body around the world. I wanna live my life and be your, I wanna party, I wanna shout, I wanna party and fly.
Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind. Cause this just don't feel right to me.
Nobody believes in you. You lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and saying to yourself, it's not over until I win.
Parece que hoy me gustas un poco más.
Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo tal? So nice to meet ya. You said we should go and get a room. No.
Feeling like a little kid. I'm still sad after all this time. Picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still sad.
What's waiting till tomorrow starts tonight? It starts tonight. And let the promise in me start like an anthem in my heart. From now on, from now on, from now on. And we will come back home, and we will come back home, home again. And we will come back home, and we will come back home, home again. And we will come back home, and we will come back home, home again. From now on.
I'm gonna feel it alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alleys on the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you.
You killed both of us! Fighting over a dragon? That's your plan?
This is. Save him. think, bud? You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready? This is amazing! No longer amazing! Toothless! Oh no! Oh! Woo! Well, that really came out of nowhere. We gotta work on your solo gliding there, bud. That locked up tail makes for some pretty sloppy rescue maneuvers, hey?